Good morning, Junior 4.
Good morning.
Okay. Yumna, you have seen the PowerPoint?
Yes.
Okay. Last online session, I talked about the energy, and I said that energy is the ability to work, and I talk about the forms of energy. I said we have 7 forms or 7 types of the energy: potential energy, kinetic energy, light energy, heat energy, electric energy, chemical energy, and sound energy. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And I said that the sound energy it's a form of energy that reach the ear, causing hearing. Reach the ear, causing hearing. Sound is produced due to the vibration of the object. Okay? When we feel that we can hear, because the vibration of object can reach to our ear. So it helps us to feel that we can hear sound. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. You have to know that we cannot change a type of energy from one form to another form, or from one type to another type. For example, we cannot change the potential energy into kinetic energy. We cannot change the potential energy into kinetic energy. Potential energy is the energy stored in the object during rest, like this picture. Okay? Stored in the object during the rest. But kinetic energy, when the energy starts to change from rest to motion, it means kinetic energy. So look at the 2 pictures. The first one, it's stored, the energy stored in the object during rest. So it's potential energy. But in the second picture, okay, the toy start to move. Okay? So it's kinetic energy. It's energy that causes motion of the body. Cause motion of the body. You understand?
Yes.
Yomna, you understand?
Yes.
Izo.
Yes.
Okay. After that, another example for changing the kinetic energy into other forms of energy. So you have to know that kinetic energy can change kinetic energy into sound. We can change the kinetic energy into heat energy, and we can change the kinetic energy into electric energy also. So you have to know that the kinetic energy can change into 3 types: sound energy, heat energy, and electric energy. Okay? Kinetic energy into kinetic energy into sound energy during violin, guitar, knocking the door. It's kinetic energy. It causes more emotion, and so we can hear. So here the kinetic energy change into sound energy. So the kinetic energy change into sound energy in the violin, guitar, and knocking the door. Okay? The kinetic energy into heat energy during rubbing our hand together. We can feel warm. So it's kinetic energy motion, feel warm. Yes or no? So the kinetic energy when we move our hands together, it helps us to feel warm or to feel hot. So this kinetic energy change into heat energy. And during hammering one piece of iron, if you touch the iron in this moment, it will be very hot. So the kinetic energy change into heat energy. Example, removing a nail from a piece of جونيور 3 جونيور 4 في صوت صعب قوي. اللي بيحرك المايك لو سمحتوا ما يعملش كده. Changing the kinetic energy into electric energy in the dynamo. Okay, the kinetic energy change into electric energy. And also you have to know that we can change the electric energy into other forms of energy. For example, the electric energy can change into kinetic energy. Can it change into sound energy? Okay? The electric energy into kinetic energy during electric fan, washing machine, electric mixer. All of these are electric energy changed into kinetic energy. The electric energy changed into sound energy at the recorder. Number 4. Changing the light energy into heat energy and electric energy. The light energy changed into heat energy in the solar heater, But the light energy changed into electric energy in the solar cell. You have to know that we have difference. What's the difference between the solar heater and the solar cell? You will answer that. In the solar heater, light energy is changed into heat energy. But in the solar cell, the light energy is changed into electric energy. Now I will talk about the benefits of the solar cell. It changes the light energy into electric energy. Provide satellites with the electric energy to operate their pieces of equipment. You have to know that in the battery or the dry cell, the chemical energy is stored. Yes or no? The chemical energy is stored in the battery and it changes into electric energy. Okay? When we use that battery to turn on the TV, air conditioner, okay, so the chemical energy stored in the battery is changed into electric energy. نعم يا آدم. Adam, what do you want to add?
Nothing.
Okay. فهمتوا يا جونيور في 4؟
Yes.
هو مين حاضر معايا؟ آدم ويمنى وسيف وحازم وإياد وجبريل وأدهم خالد. مين أحمد عادل؟ ورفايدة ومين تاني؟ هو مين أحمد عادل ده؟
مين؟
أيوه مين يعني؟ مين أحمد عادل؟
أنا
أيوه مين؟ قول اسمك يا حبيبي.
مازن.
مازن أحمد. أوكي تمام يا junior 4. You understand? We have only one session online next.
Okay, so next session is the last session.
Yes. We'll talk about lesson 2 and we will finish.
Okay.
Okay, junior 4. Bye bye.
Bye.